Hello, FutureMakers. Welcome to TeacherPreneur. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what they learned in school. Every year, 11th of November is celebrated as National Education Day. National Education Day is celebrated in the tribute of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, who was the first education minister of independent India. He always rooted for girls' education and free and compulsory education for everybody up to the age of 14. Every year, National Education Day is celebrated with some or the other theme. This particular year, the theme is transforming education. We all know that education is that compass that drives us all in the right direction. We teachers are the main focus of the education system, and as a teacher, I think we must celebrate National Education Day in school. But what do we do? What activities can we do? What projects should we give the students? Don't worry, to clear this confusion, TeacherPreneur is here with a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to celebrate National Education Day in school with the students. The first way to celebrate National Education Day is to have a book thrift store. Books have always been a crucial part of education, right from illuminating our imagination to making us pro in communication. Books have always been there as a great catalyst. And let us look at this day as an opportunity to make them develop a habit of reading. But we can do this in a creative way as well. Let all the children bring their own books that they have already read and wish to rotate, recycle or donate. So either they can donate this, or we could have a minimum price for the book which they can sell for, and then with the same amount they can buy another book that they wish to read. In this way, in the lieu of having more money, they will have this habit of getting more books with them and they will start reading it because they have paid their own money for reading, and hence they will value that book even more. Though this could be a bit challenging for the teachers to organize, trust me, this is totally worth it because it's cost effective and amazing. Do give it a try. The next idea is to have a poster presentation competition in the school. To make an amazing poster, kids will have to research a lot of ideas and then come up with unique ways to represent those ideas on one single poster. The theme of the poster making competition should be the importance of education, and let all the ideas flow, let their creativity flow, and let them come up with the best posters possible. Since the posters are made by the kids themselves, this will have a factor of learning by doing, and they will know the importance of education in this creative manner. How did you like the idea? Do let us know by hitting the like button. Language is an essential part of communication since the beginning. And on National Education Day, we suggest that you should start teaching your kids a new language. You could make it a part of your daily habit or a weekly routine. If your students are more inclined towards learning a foreign language, then you could take that. Or if you want to make it more rooted in culture, then each student can say what a particular thing is called in their language. Of course, your class has a variety of students coming from different cultural backgrounds. So one simple particular thing could be said in various ways in their languages. So we can take this as an education initiative and start a new routine. To teach a foreign language, you could take suggestions from your students about what language they want to teach, and you can take them to particular settings. For example, going to the playground and telling them what football, basketball and such things are said in a particular foreign language. Next week, you could take them to the medical room and do the same exercise. In this way, they might not know perfectly how to speak a language, but at least they will know the essentials in a different foreign language, so they cannot be stuck if they are going foreign at all. Isn't it a great idea? The next idea is something that I think all teachers will love. Teachers have always played a crucial role in imparting education. And an amazing way to celebrate the National Education Day is to let the children become teachers for the day and teach their juniors about different things. Trust me, imparting education always gives us the best satisfaction. And वो कहते हैं ना, to teach once, you have to learn twice. So through this activity, education will be imparted to the next generation in the best manner possible. Let the students choose their own topic and let them teach it in the most creative way that they can come up with. And in this way, under your supervision, education will be imparted to different age groups in creative manner. लगता है ना? Amazing. Next activity is slogan writing. Slogans are the best way to convey a message in a short and quick manner. We could organize a slogan writing competition based on the importance of education or the theme of that particular year of National Education Day, and let the best slogans be imparted outside the classroom for the whole school to see. In this way, we can let everyone know about the importance of education in the shortest, simplest, and easiest way possible. The next way to celebrate National Education Day is to integrate technology to say about the importance of education. Education is not only learned through books, but education is also about imparting values and skills for the students that will make them ready for today's world. So, either through stories, through short videos, through movies, or even dramas, you could try and tell them the importance of having values or some particular skills in your life. It could be confidence in interviews, because that is one skill that most people have to understand while growing up. It could be a few values like selecting between the good and the bad, what you should do, what you should not do, what you could have done if you were in the place of that character, so on and so forth. Students will listen to all of this because it's not related to their bookish language, and they will learn it with a lot of excitement and also retain it for a longer period of time. This is the best way to impart education that is actually required in today's world. So as teachers, go ahead and take that initiative of taking your students into the computer lab or AV room and showing them a particular short video or a few videos or movies that will help them to learn what they need to know in life. Apart from these ideas, some schools do prefer to have essay writing, elocution and debate to celebrate the National Education Day. You could go ahead with that too, or you could make it creative in all the manners that we discussed throughout the video. At the end, I would like to quote Nelson Mandela sir saying, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you could use to change the world." And kudos to my FutureMaker community that is doing their best to illuminate the light of education in the lives of their students. We hope you found this video helpful. If you like today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us what creative ways can you come up with to celebrate the National Education Day. Share this video with your teacher friends and family, and subscribe to TeacherPreneur and press that bell icon to be a part of the FutureMakers community. See you soon.